bigger yet.
This is Daddy's igloo that he built?
Yes.
Let's take a look.
I helped a little.
He did. Daddy told me. How did you help?
I shoveled.
You did?
I shoveled to make all of those lines up there.
So you were the decorator of the igloo.
Yeah.
Oh yeah? Pretty cool. And is that our entrance? Yeah? More decoration over here?
Mommy,
Yeah.
I love you.
You do? How much?
I'm going to show you something.
What are you going to show me?
I'm going to show you the sledway.
The sledway? Okay. Do we have to go out? Do I have to go out of the igloo? Alright. Show me. Oh, it has melted a lot, huh?
What?
It has melted quite a bit.
What?
What are you going to show me? Are you going to climb the tree?
I found a solid rock.
Let me see how,
Mama,
yeah.
tell me, how did this rock get here?
It's the decoration around the tree. Those are the bricks. Gotta be really careful.